From the Office of the Assembly ng Bayan, August 1, 2024, Traffic Order Number 24-618, Honorable Reynaldo Villaromero, Municipal Vice Mayor of this municipality, is hereby directed to proceed in the Senate LGA in the city for the period of August 3 to 11, 2024 to conduct the following activities. One, to attend Tanggol, Kanigasan in partnership with the Provincial Government of Quezon, AISTBA, UFAR, and Southern Luzon State University, Epicamabutis, Norte State College, River, on August 5 to 9, 2024 at the Southern Asian Fisheries Development Center, CFDEC, and EDC, two other important matters. Assisted by Secretary Manalo, SNO, approved, signed Eric Lalita, Trinidad Municipal Union. August 2, 2024, to the Office of the Municipal Mayor of Naunesa, Honorable David Bantuban is the member of Tanungan President. Mrs. Bantuban, reputed as the son of the out of the station for an official travel, you are hereby designated as officer in charge of overseeing the Office of the Municipal Mayor of this municipality, effective today, August 24, August 4, 2024. The performance of your duties will be guided in the application of the local government code of 1991 RA 7116. You shall discharge the duties and responsibilities as such but not limited to signing and approving the traffic order, attending meetings, as well as the removal of actions and representation of the Office of the Municipal Mayor and performing ordinary and administrative functions, such as supervision of the day-to-day operations of the Office of the Municipal Mayor. This be guided accordingly. Signed, Honorable Haribel Lalita Trinidad Municipal Mayor, California. Honorable David Bantuban, Personal Office, National Provincial, and Municipal Offices, Pagnalang, mula sa tanggapan ng MSWPO, ika-isa na Agosto sa 2024, magalang-galang rin ang kayanin na kuhanin kumbahan sa pamagitan ng kayalang Bibibusi ng Tupan, Sampunang Banang Verbo, Musilong Pamilya, magalang-galang na aling kumbahan, magalang ng Pilipuan ng Lingkod, para sa pagpapasa o pagkatang ng mga polisiya, para sa proteksyon, pagkalinga at pagkakalmo sa mga pagkataang pagmalimanin, laban sa pang-abus at pisikal, psikologial o emosyonal, karahasan at nang maisuro ang kanilang kabuong komunidad at kagalingan. Number 1, Early Years Act RA 2410. Number 2, Children's Safety or Motorcycle Act RA 1066. Number 3, Children's Emergency Relief and Protection Act RA 10821. Number 4, National Mental Health Policy RA 026. 5, Substansyang pagkain para sa batang Pilipino RA 11.